Welcome to DS Trucks. In this video, we're going to be racing the 6.7 liter PowerStroke diesel against the 6.2 liter gas V8. Now, obviously, the advantage goes to the PowerStroke, but my truck's got some tricks up its sleeves. I got the 430 gears, and I got some other little tricks that I can't say, but I'm going to try to win. I don't know if I can do it. You know, we'll see what happens. We haven't done any test runs or anything, but anyway, I'll warp forward to inside the truck and we'll see if I can pull this off. All right, so I'm going to be racing PTT and I don't want to lose. So I got a couple tricks up my sleeve. Number one, I'm going to turn on four-wheel drive. And also I got my old double tap auto track sport mode. So we'll see what happens here. And I'm gonna turn on my 0 to 60 meter as well to see if that will give us our 0 to 60s here. So I don't know how many runs we can get in this little spot, but we'll try. Okay, so I want to be a little sneaky. I'm gonna go back here a little bit and I'm gonna put it in four-wheel drive. I'm gonna put it in four-wheel drive, so he's not gonna know that I'm doing that. But I'm gonna come up here. He doesn't know. I don't think he's gonna do that. I hope not, because if he does that, I'm in trouble. How are we gonna do this?
We're gonna count it out. 1, 2, 3.
Holy no! I tried everything. I put it in four-wheel drive. It didn't work. Fuck. I only touched 40.
That was fucking awesome.
I almost got to jump a little bit. How'd it look? I got to jump a little bit.
What, shapes?
How did my truck look? All right, guys, so I wanted to run that back. There's PowerStroke Tech Talk. I'm gonna try this time without four-wheel drive on. Hopefully that will help. And also, I did realize that the AC was on, so I'm gonna turn that off. So that's not helping me at all. So I'm gonna try this again. It's on you, bro.
I did it last time.
On your mark, get set, go. No! No! It was closer. It was closer. It was closer. I still lost, but it was closer. Oh my God. Man, so silly. What was that? What was the speed on that? What? I think I got a 0 to 60.
Wow.
I didn't touch 60, but I got to 40 in 5.6 seconds. My Ecoboost can take you.
Nothing takes a 6.7.
My tires are not sticky. My tires are like hockey pucks. Yours are much more grippy. The first pull was in four-wheel drive.
Was it really?
Yeah.
No shit.
Brake boosting with four-wheel drive.
It sounded like, it sounded mean.
I know, dude. I turned on that sport track and I I turned on sport track, and what else did I do? I turned off 4-wheel drive on the second run.
I didn't put it in sport mode. It was.
Well, don't worry about all that.
No, I'm just saying.
If you put that, I'm fucked.
It was just.
If you do that, I'm done.
I could have been smoking them.
Yeah, well, I turned sport track off, and then, you know,
That's so funny.
I turned off sport track. Man,
I guess I figured a way to get rid of my feathered tires is just go race Sean.
dude, I gotta come back with my Ecoboost. This is gonna be to be continued, and I come back with my 3.5. I think that truck will.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, to be continued. I lost this one, but next time I will just have to come back with another truck. It is what it is. So as you guys saw, the 6.2 was no match for the 6.7 PowerStroke V8, and that is to be expected. I mean, the 6.7 does have significantly more power than the 6.2, torque and horsepower. So I mean, we're only making like 385 to something like that horsepower and 430 foot-pounds of torque, compared to the 6.7, which has like 475 horsepower and like 1,050 foot-pounds of torque in 2020. Pair that with the 10-speed transmission, and you can predict the results. Now, that being said, I don't know if the old 3.5 Ecoboost can take them on, but comment below. Tell me what you think. Is it worth a shot? You know, this truck is quick, and when it came out, it was one of the quickest. You know, it's still horsepower and torque, still no real comparison there, but we are lighter. This one's only, is it light enough? It weighs about 5,400 pounds. It's got about the same gearing, but I don't know. It may not even be enough, even though it is a lighter truck, but I'm willing to try it. Comment below if you would like to see the 3.5 Ecoboost take on the 6.7 PowerStroke. I don't know. It's a tough one, but I want to say thank you guys for watching. I want to say thank you to PowerStroke Tech Talk for collaborating with me and making this video. It was all in good fun, even though I lost, but it is what it is. It's to be expected. That 6.7 is nothing short of amazing, and really impressed with how it performed. But anyway, comment below. Thank you guys for watching DS Trucks, where we run nothing but the best, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Over and out.